Around 160 NABARD grade A vacancies are expected to be out pretty soon. You have two ways forward if you want to crack this examination for the year 2022. Way 1, to prepare with intensity after the notification is out. Way 2, to prepare with consistency before the notification is out. Now, the problem with intensive study plan is that there's a good chance you will abandon your preparation within few days. What is the reason? Guys, it is pretty difficult to prepare with focus for more than 10 hours a day for more than 10 to 15 days. But how about studying just 3 hours daily, consistently? Sounds doable? Join me in a live workshop where I'll be decoding the step-by-step preparation plan for NABARD grading. I guarantee you that after this 3-hour live workshop, you will have a clear study plan and roadmap to clear dominate NABARD grade A examination with just 3 hours of study consistently. And if I haven't told you, there are only 100 seats for this live workshop. Click on the link below and register now.